Hi cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw Kitty Queen from LOL Dolls. Thanks for all your help on my community page by telling me which LOL doll you felt that I should draw next. If you love LOL dolls, please make sure to check out my playlist for all the drawings I've done so far of these cute little girls. So get your Sharpie or your pencil ready and your piece of paper and let's get started. To draw Kitty Queen, we're going to first start by drawing her eyes. So right here I'm just going to draw a big circle. Since LOL dolls are all about their eyes, we're going to start with that. So we make them nice and big. So the same thing over here. Kind of wide and about right here. I'll draw the other eye. And from there, let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two smaller circles for highlights, an angle, and a curved line at the bottom, and shaded in top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing over here. There. So then let's come in here. We're going to give her some lashes. So in this corner right here, I'm going to start with one thicker one. And just thicken that out. Just one thick one. And then three smaller ones, just lines. So same thing on the other side. So one thick one at the top. And three smaller ones. And so then from there, come to the center about right here, I'm going to draw a smile. So about in this area, just draw a sweet little curve and cap it off. So now that we have her eyes and her mouth set in, let's come to the side right here where we started with her eyes. And I'm just going to give myself a point. So from here, I'm going to basically draw her face. So I'm just going to go around her eye. So do the same thing on this side, right here where we started. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. And connect. So it's all up to you. You can start with her face and then draw the eyes in, or start with the eyes like I did. It's all up to you, whatever you're more comfortable with. So now that we have that in, let's bring this up a tiny bit more. And then in this area, I'm going to draw her ears. Just draw some details in there. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so now we're going to have to tackle her head, not her fancy hair. So I'm going to bring this up right here. Just going to curve this out a little bit more. And in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw her head. So just nice and wide. And I'm just going to bring it all the way to the top. And back. There. Looks creepy, right? Like a creepy doll. Okay, so then from there we're going to come in here. We should have this line. And I'm just going to draw the bandana that she had. Oh, not bandana, I'm sorry. The hair, oh my gosh, I'm lost for words. the accessory that holds her hair back. I can't remember this word. But then right here, now that we have that in, let's come here and draw her hair so it doesn't look so creepy. I'm going to start in this area, kind of above right where her ear is. And I'm just going to draw a curve that comes up. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to drag myself a point, see about right here. And bring it down. So we're just having these two curves. And from there, I'm going to aim towards the center. So in this area right here, I'm just going to give myself a point so I know where my center is, kind of between the eyes. And I'm going to start with one small curve and bring it all the way down, slightly round it off. And then on this side, one curve, one more, and one last one to connect it. It'll all make sense soon, don't worry. Okay, so then from here, from this one curve right here, I'm just going to go ahead and continue it and bring it in. So same thing right here, continue that curve and up. There. Then we can just finish off this curve. And add some detail lines. And right here to add some lines for her hair. There. Okay, and then her eyebrows. So I'm going to come above her eye. Just draw a curve on above each eye. There. Okay, so then finally, let's come up here. Say about in this area, I'm just going to draw her little cat ears. So I'm going to come about right here. Come down. Her little cat ears. Come in here for the inside. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So about right here. And we're going to go up. Approximately that high on this side and then bring it down. So same thing. So we have our two ears in. Now let's come to the top. Right here, we're going to draw another curve right above. And then one more deeper curve. So this is going to be the beginning of her ponytail. You can add some lines right here for some detail. And then now we're going to draw that little poof right here on top. So I'll just draw a bunch of curves that comes towards the center. About right there's my center. Now coming back down and back. So we come in here once again with some detail lines to bring it all together. There. Okay, now the body. We're going to come right here and say about right here, I'll just draw a curve. So this is her shoulders. And imagine her armpits about right here. So on both sides, I'm going to draw a slight angle line. And let's come in here and I'm just going to bring this up a tiny bit and connect it. And come in here with some straps on both sides. You can pop it out if you want. And connect it. So we're going to connect it, but bring it down a little bit more and connect it. Add another curve right here for some detail. And then in this area right here, I'm going to pop it out for her hip. And then right here towards the center, I'm going to draw a little line. And then basically just connect it. So coming down and connect it. So then let's draw her legs. So we're going to come from this area right here and curve out her legs. So as I come down, I'm going to aim towards the center and out and out. And bring this down and connect it. There. And for some details, let's come over here for her legs. I'm going to draw one curve on both sides. And so that's going to be her beginning of her boot. The bottom right here. And we're going to come in here for some details. So two curves all the way down. And end it with a little curve. And then you can come in here with some X's for her laces. So same thing over here. There. Okay, so then some for details right here. We're going to give her a little zipper. And then a line right here, kind of like a little rectangle. And two seam lines right here. And now her arms. So I'm just going to have them out nice and simple. Just bring them out. So about right here, I'll start with the thumb and her fingers. So same thing on this side. So about right there. And her fingers. And of course, you're going to add a little heart right here. So she's my Just So Cute Kitty Queen from LOL Dolls. So there, hope you guys loved this LOL drawing of Kitty Queen, and I made it easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.